If you're looking for a versatile wagon, this one here is for you. I do like the fact that it's completely mobile, compact design. It's easy to use and easily put together, and also break back down again with it. So on the outside, I take that right there off, then also has a slot in there for actually the inside board, which I just took out and put to the side real quick. You just go ahead and expand it out after you take the strap off, and then you push down the middle, and then it's going to go ahead and expand out the entire thing. Right there's the board that I was talking to you guys about. We're just going to go ahead and push that right there down in, and you're going to be able to pull the wagon handle all the way out, and it's actually going to go ahead and kind of snap it in place. That way it doesn't move at all. And this thing here is so easy to move around with it. So easily go ahead and pack this thing up with a ton of things. We're planning on using it for like our soccer games, football games, those kind of events with it, or even like the beach and stuff and pools. But it does have locks on there, so you can actually put wheel locks on both sides, and it's not going to move very much, which is really, really nice. You kind of see the inside of it right here. It also has like two little cup holder kind of things where you can go ahead and put a couple of bottles of water. Right there's our locks. We're going to go ahead and just pull it up to go ahead and unlock it, and you're going ahead and use your foot or your fingers to go ahead and push it down to go ahead and lock it into place with them. Really convenient. Right there's the other side that you also get with it too. And you kind of see, you're just going to go ahead and pull this handle out, and it's going to snap right into place for you. That way the handle's not going to move anywhere with it, which makes it really, really nice and convenient. And look, you kind of see how those bars kind of move back and forth. That kind of helps with the moving of the wheels too as well in the right spots. This thing is so easy to move around. I highly suggest this one, that's for sure. Look, we're just going to go ahead and kind of move it around, practice with it, dreaming about all the things that we're going to be able to do with this wagon, because it is spot on, one of the best ones I've had so far. See how easy it is to go ahead and push your foot down to go ahead and lock it into place. It also comes with a little cargo net too. We're going to go ahead and now put it back together again to go ahead and pack it up into the back of our trunk. So we're going to go ahead and just pull the handle in the middle. It's going to kind of scrunch it all up together. And we're just going to kind of just move it all around here. It'll just make it nice, small, and compact where you just kind of move it all together just like that. And now we're just going to go ahead and put our bag on top and then just slide in the insert board. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Enjoy.